Hello, my name is Joseph Lopez. I'm marketing responsible for thermal management solutions here at Schneider Electric. Did you know that more than 60% of technical breakdowns in outdoor environments are linked to condensation problems? In fact, condensation could negatively impact the operation of your machines, such as variable speed drives, PLCs or contactors. These could cause major damage to your machines, resulting in productivity loss and a potential risk for users. Schneider Electric has developed a solution to avoid condensation problems, high humidity levels, and low temperatures within electrical equipment and electronic devices. It's the new innovative ultra-thin heater combined with fiberglass components. This innovative product offers safe and compact heat in many different equipment in industry, OEMs, but also outdoor environment applications. Another benefit of ultra-thin heater is its minimal depth. Because the ultra-thin heater is so compact, it can easily fit in spaces not typically used in an enclosure, like the side panels, the rear part of door, or the rear part of mounting plate. The new ultra-thin design helps you achieve outstanding effectiveness by allowing to diffuse the heat within all enclosure surfaces. This natural convection guarantees that you avoid the dew point temperature. When combined with a precise control, like Climasys Hygrostat or Hygrotherm, the entire system is more energy efficient using only the necessary heat. The lowest density of power maintains a level of consistent heat diffuse with no hot spots in any part of the heater, below 70 degrees when the air convection is near 20 degrees. 4 types of installation modes are possible. First one with adhesives Velcro system. No tools are required for this installation, saving you time. Second one by installing directly to the front mounting plates. Third one by installing on the Telequick mounting plates. And the last but not the least, install on the universal D-rail mounting system. Most importantly, the thermal software links problems with solutions. Get a trial of Proclima version 5.2 and find the best ultra-thin heater model that best fits your enclosure.